Hey guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you about a pretty cool software called Microsoft PowerToys. And this software was released for Windows 95, and basically what it does is it gives users a lot more customization options for Windows, as well as just features and utilities. Some of these tools include Always on Top, which is a pretty cool software that you can pin any window that's open to the top of the screen. Another tool is Color Picker. That one's pretty self-explanatory. Basically, it brings up a little color picker window right beside your cursor so you can pick a color from the screen. Another one that I really like is called PowerToys Run, and basically that's just a Mac spotlight search brought over to Windows, and that one personally is my favorite feature, but there's a lot more, and I'll get into a few of those in the video. So without further ado, let's get into the installation. Alright, so here I am over on my Windows 11 PC. This also works on Windows 10. And so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the first link in the description, and that'll take you to the GitHub link, and it's by the official Microsoft GitHub account. And so once you're here, you're just going to want to scroll down and then click on the PowerToys x64, and then that'll just download. So I'll wait for that to download. Alright, once that's done downloading, just open it up and it'll bring you to this page. Just hit I agree to the license terms and hit install. Click yes. And then it's going to be installing PowerToys. This shouldn't take too long. Alright, so once that has installed, it should automatically open up PowerToys. And here you are greeted with the welcome screen. And so on the left side of the screen, you can see all the features that it has built in. So for example, the color picker, if I click on that, it gives a brief description of what it is, and you can kind of see it up here in action. So let's do it. If I hit Windows Shift C, it'll bring up a color picker, and then if I click, and that brings up even more colors and a color palette surrounding the color, and with the main color in the middle here. And this is a pretty useful tool if you're doing like photo editing and you need to get a color, or video editing or something like that. And then another good one is Always on Top. So let's say I wanted this Chrome window to be always on top. You can see that the keybind is Windows Control T for that. So if I do Windows Control T, you can hear a little sound, and now this is always on top. So if I even open up this, nope, not on top, but this one, it is. And again, you can just do Windows Control T to remove that, and then that will just be back to a regular window. Another really cool feature that I want to mention is called the Keyboard Manager. And what this does, if I open the settings here, and if I hit remap a key, you can basically make macros. And so this would be really useful for, again, probably a video editor or somebody else who uses a lot of macros. Another really cool feature with PowerToys is called Fancy Zones. And so if I open up Chrome or another window, and if I hold Windows and Shift and drag, it'll bring up this little overlay. And so I can drag the window onto any of these. And so I'll plop it here, right? And then if I open up, let's say Spotify, for example, and then again, if I just drag it and hold Windows and Shift, I can place it somewhere else here. Now, Spotify doesn't really like to scale like that, but you can kind of see how it still tries. And now my favorite feature with PowerToys is called PowerToys Run. And basically it's similar to Mac's Spotlight Search. So if you do Alt and space, it brings up this little box here. So I can get that out of the way and open it up again. And now if I start typing something, like let's say I want Spotify, even though it's on my desktop, and it's different than the Start search, where it searches files too throughout your whole computer. So it's really useful for getting a deep search. Like if I wanted to, let's say, look for the download of PowerToys that we downloaded earlier, you can see it right here. So this feature alone is really cool, and I use this one on nearly a daily basis. And so yeah, there's tons more features in the software that I didn't go through in this video. So just go ahead and grab it from the link in the description and just install it and give it a test for yourself. I'm sure you'll find something that's useful for you. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to drop a like and comment what you want to see more, and subscribe for more. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.